It's time for another gardening update. Something is eating up the zenith leaves. Those doggone butterfly babies eating up my zenith plant leaves. Doggone it. This is my tomato plant and it is showing signs of poor nutrients. Yellowing of the leaves, I've read is a cause because of the poor nutrients. It lacks nutrients. So I gave it some kind of plant food. Yellowing leaves on your tomato plants. Yellowing leaves on the tomato plant is a sign of poor nutrients. It needs to be fed. It needs its nutrients. It needs nutrients. When you see signs, yellowing leaves on a tomato plant, that's what I've read. It needs nutrients. It needs to be fed. It needs its vitamins. It's in poor health. I'll see you on the next one.